Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. Today I take ninth standard's poem Nobleness Enkindled Nobleness, poet James Russell Lowell. In this poem, Joseph believes that everything belongs to God, not to individuals. He offers his home to a complete stranger. He also offers the stranger a horse and some gold. The stranger is overwhelmed by this kindness and admits that he killed Yusuf's son. Yusuf offers him some more gold instead of getting angry and thanks the stranger for allowing him to avenge his son's death. I'll read the whole poem first. A stranger came one night to Yusuf's tent, saying, "Behold, one outcast and in dread, against whose life the bow of power is bent, who flies and hath not where to lay his head. I come to thee for shelter and for food." To Yusuf, called through all our tribes the good. "The tent is mine," said Yusuf, "but no more than it is God's. Come in and be at peace. Freely shalt thou partake of all my store, as I of his who buildeth over these. Our tents, his glorious roof of night and day, and at whose door none ever yet heard nay." So Yusuf entertained his guest that night, and waking him ere day, said, "Here is gold. My swiftest horse is saddled for thy flight. Depart before the prying day grow bold, as one lamp lights another, nor grow less. So nobleness enkindled nobleness." That inward light the stranger's face made grand, which shines from all self conquest. Kneeling low, he bowed his forehead upon Yusuf's hand, sobbing, "O Sheikh, I cannot leave thee so. I will repay thee all this thou hast done unto that Ibrahim who slew thy son." "Take thrice the gold," said Yusuf, "for with thee into the desert never to return. My one black thought shall ride away from me, firstborn, from whom day by day and night I yearn. Balanced and just are all of God's decrees. Thou art avenged, my firstborn, sleep in peace." Now listen the explanation. Nobleness means morally good or generous. Enkindled means evokes or provokes. Nobleness provokes nobleness, just like one lamp lights another, nor grow less. A stranger came to Yusuf's house one night, saying that he was expelled from his community. He was feared that his enemies would kill him. He has lost his power and not knowing where to go for food and shelter. So he begs Yusuf for food and shelter, as Yusuf was called good by all the people. Yusuf, who believed that everything belongs to God and not to individuals, happily offers his home and everything to a complete stranger. He was so generous, he never said no to whoever came to him for help. He entertained the stranger that night well. Next day, before daybreak, Yusuf woke the stranger up and gave him gold to escape from his enemies. He kept his swiftest horse ready for his flight and asked him to leave before the sun rises. As one lamp lights another, nobleness enkindled nobleness. There was some struggle going on in stranger's mind. He was overwhelmed by Yusuf's kindness. He knelt down, bowed his forehead on Yusuf's hand to confess that he was Ibrahim who killed Yusuf's son. Yusuf was shocked. He was struggling between revenge and forgiveness. He was in dilemma whether to return evil for evil or good for evil. Yusuf offered him thrice the amount of gold to leave and not to return. A black thought of revenge that had burnt in his heart day and night was gone. Balance and just are God's judgments. He gave up the thought of revenge to get his son eternal peace. Still, he took revenge, not by punishing, but by forgiving. This poem emphasizes the qualities of kindness and generosity which leads us to happiness in life. The poet sums up the central idea of his poem in the following lines: As one lamp lights another, nor grow less, so nobleness enkindleth nobleness. Yusuf and Ibrahim correspond to the characters from the Christian Bible as Joseph and Abraham. Both are important characters in the Bible as well as Quran. Thank you.